This is Jamila. I am on here to show a quick tutorial on how to use Canva with your mobile device. Very simple. It's better on the mobile. So we're going to make a YouTube channel art for your YouTube channels. So let's go ahead and get started. It's going to be really quick and sweet. Right now I logged on to Canva. I've typed in YouTube channel art, and I am going to pick one of these free templates. On here I like to use the templates. Let's see which one is cute. You know I like cute stuff. Here. Got too much going on in the middle. It wants simple and cute. Here goes something. That's not free. Let's go back. I'm sorry. But it was cute though, wasn't it? It was. And we can use This is boring. Oh, we can use this one. Spring has sprung. Yay. I like this one though. It's really cute. So let's go ahead and tap something to start editing. Let's tap this old word here. So let's change this. We're going to make this our brand. So we're going to put I put my name in because of course mine is Jamila. See these little tiny words here we can't see? Let's make them a little bit bigger. That's too big. There we go. And we're going to change the words in here. And mine is marketing for newbies. So we're going to change that right there. We can just actually take that out. We don't need it. Or we can put in make money online. We want that bigger too. You want to be able to see that also. So let's make that a little bit bigger. There we go. And we could keep these cute flowers back here, but we're not. We're going to make a cute background. I like to use my picture. Here's my beautiful picture. See, there we go. Now we can move this up so we can see my beautiful face. Let's see. Let's move this around some. We still can't see my beautiful face. There we go. Alright, we can leave it there, or we can leave it in the middle and just have me at the background. Either way to me is cute. Let's get those eyes in there though. So this was quick and easy right here, and all you gotta do is upload it to Canva, and right now it's saved on my device. And once I go into YouTube, I'm going to save this to my drive because my Google accounts are all connected, and I can let me name this something different. Let me see. Mila's YouTube banner. And we're going to save that. So once I go into my drive on my laptop, because you cannot upload it on your phone, you'll have to use your laptop. But this is a great quick tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. You see my beautiful face there. Next time you'll see my face online. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. I will be posting more videos, more tutorial videos, and more advice videos with good tips and everything. And if you would like to know what did I do to make money online, just click the descriptions at the bottom and it will go to my website for you to get more information and log in. So I hope you all have a great day. Be awesome. Bye bye now.